Circle is going full circle in its push to build foundational infrastructure for internet-based finance through new blockchain development, institutional partnerships, regulatory expansion, and deeper integration of its USDC stablecoin across global financial platforms. The launch of public testnet for ARC, Circle's Layer 1 blockchain, is designed specifically for financial applications. The testnet includes more than 100 participating companies across financial services, technology, and infrastructure. ARC offers dollar-denominated transaction fees, sub-second finality, and configurable privacy features, positioning it as enterprise-grade infrastructure for lending, capital markets, foreign exchange, and payments. CEO Jeremy Allaire described ARC as a foundation for an economic operating system for the Internet. Circle plans to transition ARC from Circle-led stewardship to distributed governance involving financial institutions, technology firms, and protocol developers. Major participants include BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, Amazon Web Services, Visa, and Coinbase, showing just how broad institutional engagement is. Circle is also strengthening institutional custody and treasury capabilities through a partnership with Safe, a multi-signature smart account platform securing $60 billion in digital assets. Approximately $2.5 billion in USDC is already held in Safe accounts. The collaboration aims to make Safe a premier institutional storage solution for USDC across self-custody and DeFi use cases. Safe has processed $1 trillion in lifetime transaction volume, reflecting growing institutional demand for secure on-chain treasury management. Exchange distribution is also expanding. Circle partnered with Kraken to broaden access to USDC and EURC, improve liquidity, and reduce conversion costs. Kraken, which serves more than 15 million users, will integrate Circle's infrastructure to enable additional stablecoin deployment across its trading ecosystem. Traditional financial integration continues to deepen. Visa launched USDC settlement capabilities in the United States, allowing select banking partners to settle directly in USDC over blockchain rails. Visa also announced it will act as a design partner for ARC and operate a validator node when the network goes live, signaling potential convergence between legacy payment rails and blockchain infrastructure. Meanwhile, Intuit entered a multi-year strategic partnership with Circle to embed USDC across TurboTax, QuickBooks, and Credit Karma. Intuit processes over $100 billion in annual tax refunds, and the collaboration aims to enable programmable, 24/7 money movement for refunds, remittances, savings, and payments. On the regulatory front, Circle received conditional approval from the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency to establish First National Digital Currency Bank, a proposed federally regulated trust institution that would manage USDC reserves and provide fiduciary digital asset custody. The move aligns with new U.S. stablecoin legislation and reinforces Circle's strategy of operating within formal regulatory frameworks. Circle already holds regulatory approvals across multiple global jurisdictions, including the EU, UK, Singapore, and others. In Circle's latest quarter, revenue and reserve income rose 77% year-over-year to $770 million, while adjusted EBITDA surged 412% to $167 million. USDC in circulation increased 72% to $75.3 billion, and on-chain transaction volume reached $11.9 trillion during the quarter. Reserve income remains the dominant revenue driver, supported by interest earned on U.S. government securities backing USDC. Circle has guided for continued USDC growth at a multi-year compound annual rate of 40%, with additional revenue diversification coming from platform services. Meaning Circle is becoming much more than a simple stablecoin issuer, covering comprehensive infrastructure for on-chain finance. So as ARC's blockchain development progresses, institutional custody integration deepens, and payment network partnerships grow, the move to embed programmable digital dollars into mainstream financial systems is on. And to circle around other stocks, turn over to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.